Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and I hope that you can see the grid lines which I've previously applied, before I started the video. It is because I would like to show you the actual evidence, the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So in order to reset the settings, let's enter the actual settings in the left upper corner, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom. As you can see, here we've got restore default settings, so let's tap on it, and your device will ask you if you really want to do it. So simply confirm it with OK. And as you can see, we've got the very first page of which will be opened if you will run the camera for the very first time. So just tap on OK. As you can see, we've got also the tag locations. Your device will ask you if you want to turn on the tag locations if you will open the camera for the very first time. I would turn it off. And here you've got also the animation of how to use the strange flip camera. So let me turn it off, and let's take a look at the camera and the actual evidence which I wanted to show you. We cannot see the grid lines, so it means that for sure we just reset camera settings. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera settings in your ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.